So angle subtended by an arc of the circle is the concept. So the theorem is what here? If you are considering the PQ as an arc, and what is the angle made by this arc at the center is double the angle made by this arc at the point in the remaining part of the circle. Means suppose anywhere, it's not only here. Here if you take, here if you take, here not. Remaining part means other than this part. Even if you take here also, same. First, let us go for solving the problem in a simplest way. So the theorem says to you that angle subtended by an arc of the circle at the center. The center पे कितना angle होगा? Is the double the angle subtended by an arc by the same arc at the point on the remaining part of the circle. So any remaining part means ये remaining part में किधर भी point ले लो. It may be here, anywhere else you take the point. So the angle whatever it is making for that means this angle will be double than that one. So here what is the thing here? PQ is an arc of the circle with the center O. This is an arc we are considering. And A is the point of the remaining part of the circle we are considering. This is a given thing from the figure we are considering. Okay? Is it clear to you? Now,
Yes, sir.
angle POQ is equals to, we need to prove that angle PAQ. POQ is equals to PAQ prove. Okay? So, construction what we are doing? A to O join kar lo and extend little bit. So that we are going to get a triangle here. AOQ is a one triangle. Or OAQ is a triangle. AOQ is a triangle. In that triangle, we are going to get here AO and OQ are equal because they are radius. Angle OAQ, angle OQA, both are equal because angle opposite to the equal sides. Two sides are equal in a triangle, then their opposite angles are also equal. That you have already learned in the previous class. Okay, so by that these two angles are equal. You keep it aside this one. Now here BOQ let us take into consideration. This is the exterior angle in the triangle OAQ. Exterior angle that is equals to sum of interior opposite angles OAQ and OQA. दोनों का sum है. So and OQA is equal to OAQ. So OQA place में OAQ लिख दिया मैंने. So double of OAQ you got it. 2 times the OAQ. So BOQ equal to 2 times the OAQ. So this you keep it aside. In the same way, triangle OAP if you are taking into consider. Triangle OAP if you are taking into consider. OAP में BOQ angle. Sorry, BOP angle will be equal to 2 times the AOP. 2 times AOP लिख सकते हैं, 2 times OPA भी लिख सकते हैं, but it is required to us. These two angles are required to us. So now required to prove is POQ. So POQ angle you take into consider. That can be written as BOQ and BOP. BOP and BOQ. So BOP can be written as from here 2 times OAP. And BOQ can be written as from here 2 times OAP. Take the 2 common here. Angle OAP plus angle OAQ. OAP, OAP, OAQ. दोनों का sum is equals to what we get? 2 times the PAQ. Angle PAQ. So from this you can say that the angle made. Suppose here you consider the same maybe in 2 other situations also will be. Figure may be like not only like this. Suppose if you are taking a triangle into this circle into the consideration. O is a point. Suppose point arc is this one. Point A I am taking here. Then P to A join करो, A to Q join करो. Angle PAQ. This in this situation actually. This is a straight line. It is a bit straight. You are not getting it. So yes, straight line. Like this. This angle is careful. At the center, the angle will be double. At the center, the angle will be double. Even if you are taking an arc, suppose another situation, if you are taking an arc, this is also an arc. This is also an arc. ये arc है ना ये. So at the center, whatever angle is making, this is double than this one. So can you say what is this angle?
90 degrees.
Yes. So this is called angle in semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. So here any semicircle you take into consider. Semicircle में किधर भी point है. Not only here. You take a point here. ये semicircle है. This is a semicircle. If I take a point here, like this you join, here to here you join, this angle is 90 degrees. How do you prove that it's 90 degrees means? Same by this theorem, here this angle is below that straight line, 180 degrees. So ये 180 degrees हमको पता है, so then this will be 90 degrees. This angle will be double the angle this one. Using this theorem only. So using this theorem only we are going to get this result. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Using this theorem, and angle in the same segment are equal. एक segment में सर्किल में angle किधर भी ले लो equal होता है, वो भी एक result है. So from this theorem only you are going to get these results. So what is the first result you are going to get? Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. From this theorem only you are going to get. Is it visible to you? Angle in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment. Any segment you take into consideration. Like this, I am taking circle into consideration. This is one segment. Segment है ना? And here, anywhere else you take this angle, this angle, this angle, all this angle, this angle, this angle, all these angles are equal. Why? Because this is also same thing. ये result. How they are equal? This is an arc you consider. Whatever the arc is making an angle at the center, a center का angle. This angle is double than this angle. This angle is double than this angle. So therefore these two angles are equal or not? Is it clear to you? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Yes? So here, see here, this angle is double than, see. Main theorem हमारा theorem क्या है? ये if you are taking an arc, this is an arc of the circle. ये arc whatever the angle it is making, ये angle इससे double होता है. That is nothing but suppose you consider this as a 2 theta, then this will be equal to 2 or 2x consider कर लो if you get confused. ये 2x बोले तो ये x होगा, ये 2x बोले तो ये भी x होगा. Is it? Anywhere else, point anywhere you take into consideration. Not only there, here also you take into consideration. So here to here, like this angle you get. Suppose here if you get like this angle also will be equal to x. So इधर ये point में, any segment में, इधर भी एक point ले लो, and ये इधर से line draw कर ले तो like this, the angle made in the same segment. ये segment में, ये पूरा एक segment है. इसी segment में इधर भी angle ले लो, 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 इधर भी. All these angles, is it visible to you here what I am doing? Right. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, all these angles are equal. So this is the angle in the same segment. The main property is what? From this theorem only these two results we are going to extract. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? two main properties we are going to get it from this. So next thing is, समझ में आया ना, clear है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt if you have, then you can ask.
Sir, can you explain this again because I got disconnected from the meeting?
Who, Kavita? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, the result is angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Semicircle में angle 90 degrees होता है. How do you say it from this result only? You take the one circle here into consideration. And here, if you take into consider the angle made by this arc at the center is 180. Then angle made by this arc at a point, any point, here, not only here, then this is called angle in a semicircle. इसको angle in a semicircle बोलते हैं. So this angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Angle in the same segment are equal. See here, this angle, same segment. Segment is same. Segment is nothing but, suppose if you take this part is erased. Here, whatever the angle you are getting, here whatever the angle you are getting, here whatever angle you are getting, all these three, not only three, anywhere it should take into consider. All these angles are equal. Starting इधर से होना है, ending इधर से होना है, and the point should be on the circle. Okay, so these are the main theorems, main theorem and main results which we will use in the further exercise and in the further results also everywhere. In most of the places, these results will be useful. Even not only now, in 10th class also. In not only 10th class circles, even areas, whenever you are finding areas related to circles, everywhere. In most of the places, this will be useful. Okay. The next thing is that. Next concept is cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem समझ में आया ना? The theorem important है. You may get this question also in the examination, in your exam. Okay. So next, this one concept I will explain to you. Cyclic quadrilateral. And after we will it's cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but if 4 points of the quadrilateral are on the circle, then that is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose here a point I have taken, here a point I have taken, C and D. A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. If the 4 points of a quadrilateral, 4 vertices of a quadrilateral lies on a circle पे होता है तो, and they are called as a, that quadrilateral is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD को क्या कहते हैं? Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. And these points को concyclic बोलते हैं. These points are called as. Is the video चला गया? दिखाई दे रहा है?
No, sir. दिखाई दे रहा है, sir.
ABCD concyclic points को concyclic points बोलते हैं. Points are called as concyclic and the quadrilateral is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. And in the cyclic quadrilateral, the main property is that opposite sides of the cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Sum of the either pair of the opposite angles, sides बोला जाता है angles. ये opposite angles है ना, angle A plus angle C will be equals to 180 degrees, and angle B plus angle D is also equals to 180 degrees. Okay. If any quadrilateral, if sum of the opposite angles are 180 degrees, then that quadrilateral is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is the main theorem, main thing in a quadrilateral and cyclic quadrilateral. समझ में आया? Cyclic quadrilateral बोले तो. And points, do remember that points are called as a cyclic concyclic points, and quadrilateral is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is the main theorems, and based on this we are going to have the 10.5 exercise. Please read the questions of the 10.5 exercise once. Okay.